Welcome at Luxury Listings. Today I'm happy to present you this amazing 3-bedroom villa located on the Gulf of Azuri. Let's have a look. As soon as you get in the villa, you are welcomed by this luminous, beautiful living space, which includes the dining area, the TV room, the beautiful American kitchen that leads to this beautiful veranda, perfect for receiving friends and family all year round. And my favorite place in this villa is the pool area that gives a direct view on the Gulf. Now the night area. With 3 bedrooms, I'm currently in the master bedroom with a private bathroom that gives a beautiful view on a luxurious tropical garden. Azuri is a village built for living well. Golf at sunrise, a coffee at the market square, or a fine meal at one of the restaurants overlooking the lagoon. Here comforts meet community, and every day feels like a getaway. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful villa. If you want more information, you will find everything in the link below in the description. Or if you want to book a private tour, don't hesitate to contact me at Luxury Listings. Cheers!